This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Warning: this procedure applies only to models equipped with traditional halogen headlight bulbs. Due to the high voltages produced on models with HID headlight systems, this could potentially generate a fatal shock if mistreated. HID headlights are not covered. Halogen bulbs are gas-filled and under pressure and may shatter if the surface is scratched or the bulb is dropped. Wear eye protection and handle the bulbs carefully. Do not touch the surface of the bulb with your fingers, because the oils from your skin could cause the bulb to overheat and fail prematurely. Pull the hood latch inside the vehicle, then slide the hood release lever and raise the hood upward. Remove the access cover from the back of the headlight housing. Turn the bulb holder counterclockwise and remove it from the housing. Disconnect the electrical connector from the headlight bulb. Connect the electrical connector to the new headlight bulb. Properly align the notches in the new bulb and install it into the housing. Then twist it clockwise to lock it in place. Install the access cover.